Galleries on mysitewizard.org are easy to set up, whether you're a beginner and it's your first time, or you are someone who's more sophisticated and has done a lot of this. These tools are really easy to use. I've got 4 examples for you, and the last one is an e-com example that actually has a shopping cart button that will take us to PayPal, so stay tuned to me. Background here is interesting. It can be changed. This is a padded look. Once the pictures are actually uploaded onto your website, you can add the text on the bottom. It's editable at a future date, and you can actually change the order of your photos. The second example does not have any padding. This is what I call a mosaic. Again, you can click on them and see them. For the real creative soul in you, you can see how you can combine colors in this mosaic that make it really quite neat looking. Third example, we combine both text and images. Something to really remember if you have a commercial site or a family site even, by having your visitors their ability to actually click on really gets them involved. They're no longer just a passive watcher, but they are involved in your website by clicking. And here's the final example I wanted to show you, which shows us a e-com site. In this example, we've got the beginning of a catalog, clothing catalog. Your visitor can actually get further details, and which is pretty neat. Again, the text here. Here is our shopping cart image. I'm going to click on that and let's see where it takes us. Okay, go down here, and it's going to take us here. And let me get a slightly different picture for you. This is the red t-shirt that I was looking at. And here we have some information. I'm on PayPal. MySiteWizard.org shows you how to easily set up your PayPal account and your shopping cart. This is the end of the gallery demo. Please join me again, Carol, at MySiteWizard. Sign up for the individual tutorials. This was a tour. We have tutorials. Take care. Glad you joined me. Join me again.